Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Sapporo Ichiban, Sanyo Foods out of Japan. And this is their Tabimen Shoyu Tonkotsu Shoyu. I don't know. Okay. And this goes in for 3 minutes. And that's what we do. We do that. Here's our noodle block. And here is our clear sachet, which clearly goes in first. Let's get these 3 minutes rolling. Hi, how do you do? So, today is a day. Today. I will prefer it to be a good day. I think it will be. And yeah. There we go. Schwizzle, schwizzle. It comes with its own chashu. I will eat that for you and let you know my thoughts on camera. And then I will, when I garnish, I will add my own chashu because generally this stuff looks and tastes like a slice of pepperoni, which I think is just kind of, I don't know, not very nice. What is going on? Indictments. I did everything perfect and they indicted me. Yeah, so that's going on. I need to make a soundboard so I can just like press a button and have a sound. Yeah, that'd be cool. It may happen if I have time. I doubt I will, so it probably won't. I wonder if I could make one and, no, I couldn't do that. I don't know. But yeah, that'd be fun. And, oh my god, the other day, so we got the carpets clean, so we had to move like as much stuff as possible out of the living room and this little area and all that. So when I did that, and when the carpet was done, I'm like, this is a good time to like do under the computer, organize all the cables, do behind the entertainment center, organize all the cables. And the cabling behind the entertainment center, oh my freaking god. I haven't like, we moved here, what, 2015? I really hadn't done any cable management since, oh no, I don't know. Did we get the entertainment center? No, we brought that with us. Okay. So, moved here then, put together the entertainment center, moved here, yeah. And then I set everything up and just left it. And then there were like numerous times I go like to the thrift store, find some weird thing, set it up, whatever. But I'd leave it, you know, I wouldn't like take all the cables out and redo and all that stuff. So I ended up with like way more cables than were for anything I was using. So went through all of it. I ended up with like, God, I want to say like 5-6 pounds of cables and adapters and all this stuff that I just didn't use. So that was fun. Very dusty. Yeah, just keep trying to find projects, you know, and I found quite a few. I've just been working on the house. Here's our Shoyu Tonkotsu, and as expected, look at the bra. Come hello. Oh. So there's what we got. Kind of a, there we go. It's kind of a, what you'd expect, kind of like a brown, kind of milky affair. Where is our slice? There you are. Yeah, you know, chashu is such a wonderful thing, and this Look, it's shaking. It's scared. It's okay. Yeah. It's like a slice of pepperoni. I mean, at least you could like make it so it kind of had a better shape, but honestly. So, yeah. Not thrilled with that. I like to roll my own. Yep, that's a noodle. More shoyu than tonkotsu. I will say that. It's okay. Yeah. I think the one that I like better, honestly, that almost hits me more almost as like a shoyu miso tonkotsu. But tonkotsu definitely not being extremely in the foreground. Yeah, I'll use this bowl. Oh, you're on. Sorry, Rotato. How's that? There you go. I like this bowl except for this spot here. It's like a stem. It's like this is the way this bowl has to be oriented or it will look silly, or I'll have to Photoshop out that little stem looking thing. Oh, come on. You don't even want to do the comb over, do you? A rough day there, Ramen? Not in the mood? Don't you know? Moods are for cattle and love play, not broth. Okay, here we are. Yeah. We gotta put in a chashu. Gotta put in a chashu. There's a. I think I may hear cranking. And let's get this torch out. Hey, Torchy. Torchy the blowtorch. That's nice. Oh, so in all the time I've had extra around here, when not doing reviewing, there's been time to look at Reddit, and in particular the instant ramen Reddit, which there's a lot of cool people doing a lot of cool things on there, and thank you for your likes and all that stuff. But God, somebody the other day, was it yesterday even? It wasn't long ago. But they posted an image, and the title was, "Is it just me or do other people like potatoes in their ramen?" Like, oh my God. So they had shin gold with copious amounts of potatoes in there. It's like, this is blasphemous. This is horrible. Like, what's the problem? Not only that, he had vertical chopsticks. That irks me. Yes. The whole vertical chopstick thing, I found out about it. I had no idea. I don't even use chopsticks. But it's considered a bad thing to do, to stick chopsticks. Some people say, oh no, it's only rice, but no, it's pretty much all food. Vertical chopsticks kind of look like funeral incense, and that's like, you don't put that in food. Asian cultures aren't really all that hip on that. So, like in the Ramen Junkies group and other things, I point out, that you're not going to see this. There's no authenticity here. But some people are like, dude, it's my own home. I'm in my own house. I can do whatever I want. It's like, not when you're posting it online. You're not in your own freaking house. You're sharing it with the entire world. So have a little bit of cultural understanding. But usually that devolves into people just like going, it's so woke, I don't get it, you're woke. Maybe I am and maybe I am. Alright, so thanks again to Zen Pop. Now I just turned a little camera light on. See, it's just like bright. But thanks again to the folks over at zenpop.jp for sending this. And they keep sending boxes to me, and I do unboxings and I review all the stuff, and it's great. That's like my main pipeline for Japanese varieties. Them and Japan Crate sends Umai crates. So that's nice. Anyways, the next one we're going to do is a Pink Rocket Carbonara cup. I did the bowls. What's funny is it used to say Pink Rocket for the lovely girls, but now it's not for the lovely girls anymore. I don't know why. Maybe somebody poo-pooed that, but sorry, lovely girls. That ain't for you. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Have a good one, and bye-bye.